What's up guys, it's unboxing time. This is Randy Amlang Tattoo of I Love You Tattoo TV and welcome to my channel. What we have here is the Yilong F-3 adjustable stroke pen machine. It has a 6-stroke length and this one is made of aviation aluminum alloy. The motor is made of hollow cup motor. It has 6-stroke lengths starting at 4.5 to 2.3 millimeter, and working hours is up to 7 hours. Battery capacity is 2000 milliamperes using type C fast charging. Output voltage is between 4 to 12 volts. Input voltage is DC 5 volts. Product size is 140 millimeter by 30 millimeter. Weight is 225 grams. Wow, it's light, and the display is made of OLED colored large screen. Interesting. And it comes with one carry bag, one charging type C cable, and a battery of 1 or 2, depends. And the price is between $360 to $400. That's cheap, eh? One of the things that I consider when buying a pen machine is the way it vibrates, because some of pen machines vibrate too much and it's hard for me to focus, especially when making fine lines. This one is pretty good. It has no noise and vibration at all, honestly. And the weight distribution is skin to my hands. It has sleek black design. I can't wait to use this on my tattooing. Nice one, Yilong. This one is really great. Thank you so much for giving me a chance to try this amazing pen. Wow.